Hey guys, today we're gonna do something really cool. We're gonna do a thorough step-by-step explanation how you can translate your channel into a foreign language. It's a really detailed guide, so if you're interested in starting to think about localizing your channel, or you're already there, you made a decision, maybe you're already doing it but you missed a step and you can improve it, please check out this video and hopefully we can help you with the process. Let's get to it. How to start a foreign language channel. Step by step. Translating your content into a foreign language is no longer just a fancy luxury enjoyed by the biggest YouTube channels. It is slowly becoming a reality and a savvy investment for a lot of smaller creators as well. People all around the world are looking for great content, so you should be aiming to make it as accessible for them as possible and provide them with the most comfortable watching experience by sporting a brand new localized channel. Whether you decide to hire somebody to do it or you are willing to put in the work yourself, there is quite a lot to be done, quite a lot to be considered. But luckily we have broken all the steps down for you, and here it is. Number 1, select the right videos. In a perfect world, you would translate all of your content, but let's not kid ourselves. The amount of work and the cost can be a little bit overwhelming. For the launch of your channel, you should be translating around 5 to 10 videos that went through a strict selection process. What you should be looking for are your all-time best performing videos, bangers that are going to make someone go down the rabbit hole and watch all the videos on your channel. Remember, views are not everything. Make sure to look at the average view duration, likes to dislikes ratio, number of comments, user engagement, and shares. Don't forget about the wow factor. Wow! Look deeper for more human metrics. Is the video trendy or slightly provocative? Does it relate to current events? If it doesn't, probably not a great idea. Statistically, your best video can be something from 2019, like a detailed breakdown of the Game of Thrones finale. But if someone watches that in the 2021, they could be more like the Game of what? Number 2, transcribe the video. This is probably the easiest and the most mundane task on the list. The good news is it's doable by literally everybody. If you already have a script that you followed in your videos, it should make this process a breeze. Well, if you don't, then sit down and produce a transcribed version of your video. Try to be as precise as you can and do not omit anything. This will serve as a base for all the future steps. So as boring as it might look like, there is no going forward without it. Remember that sometimes we say things without using words. Everybody does that. So it might be a good idea to put in notes for meaningful pauses, size, and every other sound you think adds something to the context. Number 3, translate the script. If you are bilingual, you might want to give it a shot yourself, but you are still probably better off having a professional translator take care of this. Ideally, you could find someone that could work as both as a writer and a translator, although that could be a pretty rare feat, but if you're feeling lucky, go for it. Having the content translated is one thing, but a true writer will elevate your localized content to another level. We have already established that half doing this isn't just not going to work. So if you really want to capture all the nuances, you will need someone to basically just help you with that. Also, a writer will enhance the script by using the correct current slang that will resonate with your target audience, as well as make sure the flow of the script is correct. Number 4, translate everything else. It would be a good idea to have the translator work on all the other elements of the video. So we are talking about a lot of elements, all the graphics, text on screen, all the other text, descriptions, to make your audience feel at home. We are talking about a language immersion. Leave no stone unturned and go all in. Make sure everything is translated. Number 5, hire the right dubbing studio. Do your due diligence, do your research, and reach out to multiple vendors in your target country to make sure you find a perfect fit. Go with a studio with a proven track record to ensure good quality of dubbing. Good quality of dubbing is crucial. Responsiveness and turnaround time are also important factors to consider. Smaller studios that are still trying to carve their niche in the market, they're trying to break out, will probably offer a free demo if you ask nicely. Bigger studios would at least send you their roster of available talent and voice samples to choose from. If it's within your budget, it is a great idea to go with actors with regional recognition. You would be surprised, but it is not impossible to secure official voices of Marvel or Disney characters in most of the countries. As much as acting is glamorous on paper, it's real and steady gigs like dubbing your content that pay actors bills. So unless it's really an A-list celebrity, you don't really refuse any paid work as an actor after years of starving for employment in the field. And trust me, we've all been there. One of Unilingo's partners in Latin America steadily supplies us with top-tier talent, and our customers enjoy their content being dubbed by voice actors who also became official voices for Spider-Man, Black Panther, Hulk, and many others. What's really great about getting talent with established recognition is that they already have a substantial following of their own. So if there's one thing about actors, they sure love to showcase their work. So you can count on being tagged in their social media videos, and that should further boost the growth of your new channel. Number 6, edit the video and upload it. If you are editing your own videos, make sure you have a native speaker to help you put everything together. If you're outsourcing the editing, choose an editor from your target country to ensure everything is done properly and all the nuances are captured. Number 7, engage with your new audience and promote the channel. We can stress how important this is. Show your new fans that you really care and respond to as many comments as possible. It might be a good idea to hire a part-time channel manager who speaks the language and will be able to bring the engagement to a whole new level. Audience engagement is so important in the early days of the channel to generate buzz, make people just more attached to the channel, share it with the family, and all of that bolsters organic growth. For the final touch, ask the translator to help you with all the marketing materials that you might want to use. Channel's new banner, community tab posts on YouTube, and any other social media resources you use on a regular basis. Ask him to translate your tweets, ask him to help you with social media posts, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you use. The best thing you can do is give your channel a shout out on your main channel. Whether it's a separate promo video or just a quick mention at the end of your most recent video, it is going to help tremendously to bring your old fans who speak the language to your new channel. And now, the ultimate cool thing that you can do is to learn a few phrases in the chosen language and say them to your new fans. Yes, you'll probably embarrass yourself with your pronunciation, but think how much people will appreciate your efforts, and it will definitely bring people to the new channel. And if it doesn't, at least people will have few laughs, so you just made somebody's day better. And finally, analyze and improve. Listen to the feedback from your audience. Maybe the actor that was casted did not do an amazing job and people do not really resonate with him. Perhaps the dialect that was chosen doesn't sit well with most people. So try to do some A/B testing to determine which accent and dialect works best. Maybe the writer didn't do such a good job and some of the writing just sounds corny or lame. All the knowledge you need will be in the comment section and the analytics, so use it wisely. Also, it's free. Good job! You did it! Your new channel is set up for success, and you can watch your new baby grow, slowly generate more and more ad revenue, and open up new brand partnership opportunities. But remember, as with every baby, it needs constant attention and nurturing to ensure proper growth. And of course, if going through the steps seems a little bit overwhelming, don't worry. Unilingo has mastered all the steps and put them together in an easy service with transparent pricing that provides you with all the benefits and no headaches. If you really enjoyed it, please subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you soon.